I'm here to break down the difference between tax avoidance and tax evasion so you can stay out of trouble. Welcome to Accounting How To. I'm your host, Carolyn Grimm, and that's my sidekick, Terrence, and we're here to put the fun in accounting fundamentals. Let's get right to it. Tax avoidance is the legitimate minimizing of taxes using methods included in the tax code. Tax evasion is fraud. Tax avoidance involves using legitimate tax deductions like depreciation, or tax deferrals like 401k plans, or tax making your factory more environmentally friendly. We use these methods to reduce taxes. It's perfectly legal, and it's acceptable to minimize your taxes through applying the tax code. Tax evasion, on the other hand, is defined as a willful attempt to evade or defeat any tax. It's a felony. Some examples of tax evasion: claiming less income than you actually received, not reporting your income, or deliberately underpaying the taxes that you owe, or understating the taxes you owe, keeping two sets of books, like Al Capone did, making false entries in books or records, claiming personal expenses as business expenses, and that's one that gets small business owners in trouble. Don't do that. Hiding or transferring assets or income, filing false payroll tax returns, filing false sales tax returns, or overstating your deductions like trying to claim a Tyrannosaurus Rex as your dependent. Now, sometimes business owners will make an honest mistake. It happens. That's not tax evasion. It's considered negligence. And it doesn't mean you don't have to pay the tax. You do, plus penalties and interest. So how do you avoid tax evasion charges? I'll make it really simple for you. Number one, know the tax laws. And number two, follow the tax laws. Now, knowing the tax law is pretty complicated. So your best bet is to hire a competent, ethical accountant, and that will help you stay out of trouble. Until next time, stay balanced, my friends.